The worst Halloween book in the whole entire world. Trick or Treat. This book stinks. Because it's the worst Halloween book in the whole entire world. And you're still here. It's because you are curious. Like a cat. Reason 1. There's a giant, creepy cat in this book. Which I'm sure we'll see again. Reason 2. There's no trick-or-treating in this book. I don't really like trick-or-treating, but I love candy. Candy, candy, candy. Reason 3. Now I want some candy. Knock, knock. I'm not in a room and there is no door. Knock, knock. Come in. Who are you? I'm Jerry Pumpkins. Reason 4. I'm talking to a pumpkin named Jerry. Let's go trick-or-treating. No. Why not? Because I already told everyone there's no trick-or-treating in this book. Okay, that means there'll be more candy for me. Fine, I'm coming. But where are we going? There. Reason 5. Jerry Pumpkins wants to go trick-or-treating at a super scary castle, and we don't even have costumes. But I want candy. Trick-or-treat. Trick. The trick to making my delicious stew is 1 rock and 1 pumpkin. Reason 6. I am now mad at Jerry Pumpkins. What is that, Jerry? It's my cat whistle. There's no such thing as a cat whistle. Reason 7. Giant creepy cat is back. What is going on? We're saved, but we don't have any candy. There's something I need to tell you guys. I'm actually a giant magic candy cat. Happy Halloween! Thank you for letting me read you the worst Halloween book in the whole entire world.